I'm going to make a tuple, my tuple, and here let's store black, white, and let's say green. Let's make a my iterator variable. We'll put iter and our my tuple inside it. So let's print next my iterator. So when I run it, I am getting the first value, similarly the second, and when we do it again, it will give the third value. Let's take a new string. Let's name it as apple, and we will do the similar my iterator equals iter and our my string. So let's print it. So you can see it has given a, and if we do it once again, it will give b and so on. So you can see it has printed apple. So if I do it once again, it will raise a stop iteration exception, you can see here. So it will not allow the iteration to go on forever. So let's make a new class named my number. Let's name it as my number. Okay. So here we will make a new method. Let's name it as iter. Self will be the argument. So let's make the property as self dot a equals 1, and we will return a iterator object self. So let's define the next iterator. So here self will be the argument. So we will count till 20. So self dot a is less than equals 20. Let's make x equals self dot a. So we'll increment the self by 1 and we'll return x. Okay. So we'll also give a else statement here. It will give the stop iteration. Okay, stop iteration. So let's make a object. Let me put some enter over here, and I'm going to put here my class equals my number. Okay. And let's make my iter equals iter my class. So we will make a for statement over here for x in my iter, then we will print x. So let's run. So you can see it has, once again it has given an error in line number 27. My numbers is not defined. So here I have given a small. So let's run it. So you can see it has printed till 20.